Luminaries. B. B is for ball. A round ball to play with. B. B is for banana. Banana, yummy and healthy fruit. B. B is for bird. A little bird that loves to sing. B. B is for bus. Beep beep, the big yellow bus. B. B is for bear. A big, cuddly bear. B. B is for book. Let's read a colorful book. B. B is for bell. Ding dong, the bell is ringing. B. B is for bottle. A bottle for water drink. B. B is for basket. A basket full of fruits. B. B is for bread. Soft and tasty bread to eat. B. B is for bug. A tiny bug crawling. B. B is for basketball. Bounce the basketball high. B. B is for bag. A bag to carry your things.